Hey guys, this is Kristen at Cookin' in the County, and this will be our last Easter video, and I am doing a lemon lovers trifle. I think it's gonna be delicious and I think you're gonna love it. So here's a list of ingredients you're gonna need to make this lemon trifle. You will need 1 lemon pound cake. At the end of this video, I'll show you how to make one. If you don't want to make it, just go buy one. 1/2 cup of sugar, 1/2 cup of fresh lemon juice, 1 2.7 ounce box of Dream Whip, 3 cups of very cold milk, 2 3.4 ounces of instant lemon pudding mix, and 16 ounces of frozen whipped topping. Okay, this is gonna be really quick. I actually made a lemon pound cake yesterday. I will show you how I made this at the end of this video if you're interested, but you seriously can just go to the store and buy either a vanilla or a lemon pound cake for this recipe. But we are going to use the one I made yesterday. Looks like I overcooked it, but it's really nice on the inside, I promise. So we're gonna cut this up into little cubes. You can see there's a little piece missing. I had to try it yesterday. So good. So if you want to know how to make this, just watch the video at the end of this video. So we're going to cut this all up into cubes because we're going to pile it all up in our trifle bowl. Okay, so I'm going to get this all cut up. Then we're going to start whipping up some Dream Whip, which I don't normally use a lot of, but I think it will work out really well. So get this all cubed up. How yummy that looks. So lemony. Really, it's not dry at all. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to whip up 2 packages of Dream Whip with 2 cups of milk. My mixer here. Cups milk. Mix it up. Okay, our Dream Whip is all whipped up. And to that, we are now going to add 2 packages of lemon Jello pudding mix. So there's tons of these trifles been going around on Pinterest for the last couple weeks because it's Easter coming. So I just thought I would try one of them. Because who doesn't love an easy trifle? And it looks beautiful. I'm gonna mix these 2 packages of lemon pudding mix to the Dream Whip. And we're going to add 1 more cup of milk. We're gonna whip this up for 2 to 3 minutes. Okay, our stuff is all whipped up. Now it's time to assemble. So seriously guys, this dessert, if you don't make the pound cake yourself, just go buy the pound cake. It's gonna take you maybe 15 minutes, maybe at the most, to make this trifle for Easter. Okay, so we're gonna layer 1/2 of the cubes on the bottom. I know it looks like I've overcooked this, but it's really not. It's really, really yummy. Okay, we're gonna put scoop our lemon mixture. Scrape the side just to make sure everybody's mixed up good, but it's been mixing up pretty good. It smells so yummy, so lemony, so fresh. Now I'm making all these spring things and we're supposed to get 8 to 10 inches of snow today, so yay, yay us. That's what you get for living in Maine. Okay. Okay, try to keep the sides as clean as you can. I know it's not easy. I'm just gonna layer that in. And this is gonna sit in the refrigerator for about 4 hours. I bet you overnight would be even better. So all this lemon mixture can really soak into the pound cake. So I'm gonna be picky about this. I always get really picky when I'm trying to decorate something, so sorry if it's taking extra long. Okay, won't mess with it. So now we're gonna add some whipped cream for the next layer. About 8 ounces for this layer, then 8 ounces for the next layer. Okay, we're gonna add the rest of the bread, pound cake, squish it down, get it all in there. It is quite a bit, this makes quite a bit. This is gonna be so yummy. Squish it down. See what I'm working with here. Guys, this is gonna feed a lot of people. Okay, put the mixture on top. This is gonna be one full dessert. I think my trifle pan is a little too small for this. It's gonna be pretty. Oops. Sure all the bread is covered good. I keep calling it bread, but it's a pound cake. So springy. We're waiting for spring. We want spring, not the 8 to 10 inches of snow, but it won't stay long. This will go away quickly. Okay, now we gotta finish it up with some whipped cream. This is really full. It's okay. Probably not one of my best, but you get the drift. Probably could have squished it down more on the bottom. So I saved a little bit of whipped cream to put in a piping bag with a big, oops, I'm having an awful time, with a large tip just to decorate the side, but I don't know how well this is gonna work out. It looks pretty, but I don't know how well it's gonna hold up because this is so overly full. And have some lemons that are sliced thinly. And put on top. Just kind of slice it. here and kind of twist it. Put on top, just so people know it's a lemon dessert. They probably really should be candied. Really should be putting raw lemon, but people will know enough not to eat it, I think. Some people might want to eat it. Okay, well, I can't say this is the prettiest dessert I've ever made, but I believe it's going to be delicious. It was quick and easy to put together. I think you guys will love it. I hope you try it. I really want to thank you all for watching my videos. I really do appreciate each and every one of you that comment, like, and subscribe to my channel. If there's anything you want to do to help me, it would be by sharing my videos and getting my videos out there so I can continue to grow my subscribers. So as always, if you like my videos, please click the subscribe button, the little bell, and you'll never miss a video that I do. And give me a big fat thumbs up if you like my videos. Thanks again, guys. Hope you love it.
You're gonna need 3 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 3.4 ounce box of instant lemon pudding, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 3 cups of sugar, 1 cup of melted butter, half a cup of vegetable oil, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla, 5 large eggs, and 1 cup of milk. We're going to start with 3 cups of sugar, and we're going to cream that together with our 1 cup of melted butter. Next, add your half a cup of vegetable oil and 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Capful of vanilla, now it's time to add your 5 eggs. Crack them in a separate bowl before you add them to your batter. Now it's time to add your lemon pudding. Your 1 cup of milk. Go slow because it's going to be a big mess, as you can see I was making with all of that milk. Now add your teaspoon of baking powder. Now it's time to add your 3 cups of flour. Do it slowly because it's going to make a mess, as you can see. Be sure to be alternating your 1 cup of milk with your 3 cups of flour, as I am doing here. I know this is making an awful mess, but it's going to be worth it, I promise. Let this mix for 1 to 2 minutes and scrape down the sides periodically. I'm going to add my pound cake to this bundt pan, and I'm going to spray it with Baker's Joy, like a lot of it, because I'm scared that it's not going to come out, but it came out great. So spray it good. I was struggling, so I had to move so you could see me pouring the batter into the bundt pan. So this is going to bake for about an hour and 15 minutes at 350 degrees. Now I know this kind of looks like I overcooked it, but seriously I didn't. It was perfect and almost probably could have cooked for another 10 minutes, but I didn't want it to brown anymore. And this was the most amazing pound cake I've ever tasted.